Hello guys. Um, you can earn uh, online while selling the different products of Sante Barley, uh, such as its uh, canister, which is a Sante barley grass intended or formulated for diabetic person because this product is uh, use special sweetener such as stevia leaf. So, stevia leaf is uh, 200 to 400 times sweeter than ordinary table sugar such as coming from the sugar cane. So, if you have problem uh, in diabetic or you are a diabetic, so this product is suited for you. Okay, while if you have no problem regarding diabetic or diabetes, you can just use this uh, overall formulated formula for normal person to maintain their health. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel.